Alright, what's good? If you were watching this right now, go watch the previous video. I showed you how I made this melody. Right now I'm going to do the drums. So this one's probably going to be a lot shorter because my drums are fairly simple. But yeah, make sure you go check out the other video and drop a like on this one as well. Alright, so I showed you how I export my stems last time. So now I normally have two arrangements, one called melody where I do the stems and one called beat where I actually make the beat. So the way I usually make my beat is I'll just add all the elements in this one like 8-bar pattern here, and I'll add an empty pattern like this. And on that empty pattern, what I'll do is I'll find the sounds that I want. So I'll go in my packs and I'll add the hi-hats, snares, claps, perks, kicks, 808s, and then I'll make like a simple pattern and then arrange it. So let's do that right now. Oh yeah, you gotta make sure that you don't have stuff muted. Cool trick in the beta, you can just literally scroll down here and change this to bar and it'll just loop. I think you can do it in the other ones, but I never had these settings pop up, so I just really never bothered. So I've got the hi-hats, the snares. This is pretty much just like the basic formula for drums. Yeah, it doesn't really get more complicated than this. Then you can go in after and add the snare, hi-hat rolls, all that shit. I usually just do this. I had a simple 808, and then if I want to, I change it out. If not, I leave it. Really depends on how I feel. So let me grab the root notes, which is A, G, and then A. So I know that. So we go back here. Alright, instead of doing A, I'll shift it up to C. I think that might sound better. Like, don't close things. No, it sounds out of key. What? Alright, let's change it up. Let's do that. There you go, simple, did that in under like 5 minutes. Now I'm just gonna add some hi-hat rolls, or snare rolls. Alright, drums are done. I can arrange it. I mean, be pretty simple arrangement. This is how I arrange it. Intro, pre-hook, hook, verse, bridge, pre-hook, hook, verse, bridge, final outro. Once you're done the arrangement, I usually just add in my tag. So let me quickly do that. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure you hit that like. I'll do more of these. Making melodies is pretty fun, except when you can't make them, because then it's a pain in the ass. So let me know if you guys liked it. If you didn't, let me know. If you did, let me know. Hit that subscribe, and I'll drop more of these. First person to comment whatever the lights should be, I'll change them to that color the next video. Let's make it interesting. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll let it play for the outro. Alright, yeah, I'm PJ, and I'm out. PJ on the track.